Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. When it comes to catching those early moonshots, you already know MEXC is the spot. It's literally one of the most powerful yet underrated exchanges out there, and the momentum it's got right now is next level. Ranked among the top 10 exchanges on CMC, MEXC's 24-hour trading volume actually surpasses OKX, Coinbase, and Bybit, which is wild when you realize how many people are already on it. Guys, we're talking over 30 million users worldwide. That is some serious global reach, and it means deep liquidity across pretty much every trading pair you can think of. What really makes MEXC stand out is how early they list the hottest low-cap gems. I'm talking over 2,000 tokens and over 3,000 trading pairs, many of which you won't even see on other centralized exchanges until it's too late. They had projects like Pepe, Floki, Bonk, and so many more before the big hype waves, and that is why Degen traders, altcoin hunters, and early investors are flocking here. And plus, with industry-leading low fees, 0% maker, and just 0.05 taker on spot, it's seriously one of the best platforms to actually trade on without getting eaten alive by fees. The interface is smooth, there is no KYC for basic use, they've got spot, futures, staking, launchpad, literally everything you need in one place. Whether you're farming airdrops, flipping meme coins, or searching for the next 100x altcoin, MEXC has become the go-to weapon in the bull run toolkit. So basically, if you're not already on it, guys, you're leaving way too much alpha on the table. As you could have seen in one of my previous videos, Happy Balloon Dog, also known as HBD token, is listed on MEXC, one of the most advantageous exchanges in the entire industry right now. And ever since its listing on March 28th, this meme-fueled rocket has already printed a mind-blowing 87,000% growth. Guys, that is not just hype, that is real Degen energy backed by volume, trend momentum, and bullish structure. As you can see by the chart, guys, this thing is screaming bullish continuation. Right now, HBD is trading at $37 with a daily high of $37.50 and 24-hour low at $35.40. That is exactly what you want to see on an asset that is prepping for the next breakout. If you zoom in on the 4-hour chart, you can see a clean uptrend with beautiful price structure. We've got higher highs and higher lows riding perfectly along the MA5, MA10, and MA20 lines. We've got MA5 at $36.95, MA10 at $36.15, and MA20 at $35.18. This is all stacked bullishly, which is a textbook signal that momentum is still strong. If you look at the order book on the right, you can see that we've got a strong buy wall sitting at 37 with 98 HBD worth over 3,600. On the sell side, that chunky red candle at 37.50 with 66.81 HBD is the key short-term resistance. Once that gets eaten up, we're likely going to test new highs, especially with buy pressure dominating at 64% versus just 35 sell side. Volume is healthy, candles are more than tight, and momentum is pretty strong. I think that this thing is holding its gain like a beast and showing no signs of weakness. And the fact that this is happening on MEXC, where early gems explode before the mainstream even catches on, this just adds fuel to the fire. Now here's the real alpha. HBD is not just pumping, it's got actual mechanics behind the hype. First off, they've got the HBD Tap mini app where users can literally mine tokens just by playing the game. It's an ecosystem with built-in rewards, and people are stacking gains both from the chart and in-game, which is another plus. And second, don't forget that this thing launched at just 0.04 on MEXC, and now it's sitting at $37, guys. That is over jaw-dropping 87,000 increase that's kept the momentum going strong ever since. That type of consistent upside grabs attention not just from Degens but from serious investors too, which is very important. HBD is literally all over social media right now. It's trending in threads, tweets, telegrams, and getting features in multiple news articles and crypto media. And as you can see, they've already partnered with numerous projects and platforms to boost visibility and maximize exposure across the the entire space. This is just the beginning, guys, so do not sleep on this one. Check out all the links below this video and become a part of this amazing community. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.